going to be straight with you. We've been building these tools for years, and lately we're seeing knockoffs. Companies grabbing our designs, our look, our ideas, and putting out garbage versions at a lower price point. And I get it, imitation's flattery, right? But here's the thing, when one of those tools fails on a job, it's not their name on the line, it's yours. We build Omni Cubed tools the way we'd want our installers using them. Every machined hole, every fitting, every piece of hardware, it gets thought through. Nobody's cutting corners here, not on materials, not on design, not on the people putting it together, who, by the way, are real hard-working Americans. So when you see something that looks like ours but costs half as much, ask yourself, what have they left out to get there? Or what cheap materials they used to build it? We know what we built. We stand behind it. The stone, tile, and glass installers that use our tools every day will testify to the quality and longevity of our products. If you're an installer who wants the best tools on the market and an American company that will provide support, replacement parts, and repairs, then get the real thing. Check out Omni Cubed.